Good morning, Global Studies students. Here we go. It's week one of distance learning for everyone. So as always, here are the instructions via video. So glad that you chose to watch this. As you know from what we talked about last week in class, as well as the video that I put out to your parents, I've changed around Schoology just a little bit in regards to the fact that you are now going to find your newest folders on top here when you log into Schoology. So let's go into Schoology for the week of the 12th through the 18th. And I'm going to open up the instructions for the week. Again, make sure that you are actually putting this into Notability so you can actually use it as a checklist. Here's our plan. Let's kind of recap quickly where we were last week. As you know, we were working with English and Global was doing the author's notes. So we are going to start with that today. You are going to start by watching a video, all right, that Mr. Slaby and Mr. Cush made regarding the science fiction piece of writing. We'll watch that today. Then you're going to start writing your story on the document that's in your English teacher's folder. So if you go to Mrs. Erickson, Mr. Bettini, Mr. Cush, or Mr. Slaby's class, depending on who you have, you will find in there a document of where you're going to begin with your story. You'll begin writing your story, and then remember, you should split screen here and use your Adopt a Country information to help you develop your story. In the video, Mr. Slaby and Mr. Cush discuss how to do this. Friday this week, we'll continue that. All right. Monday, we are going to watch what's called the Global Infusion paragraph. So we're going to take your global notes from your Adopt a Country, and we're going to show you how to infuse them to make the flow work. All right. You will again continue then writing your paper. Same thing with Tuesday. And then Wednesday, you will continue, and this will be kind of the final day we're giving you in Global Studies to work on this. All right. You're going to have this paper due and will be submitted to us before Thanksgiving. Next Thursday, all right, not in 4 days or not tomorrow, but next week, we will announce kind of the specific date. CNN 10, since you did not have school last Friday or this Monday or Tuesday, we've decided to move it back to the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, the 25th of November. So you will submit that at that point. Again, just giving you a few more days since we had some days without school. So again, make sure you put this into Notability. All right, for any parents that might be watching this, check with your son or daughter to see if they do put this into Notability. I think it's going to help them out with this. So I look forward to seeing everyone on Zoom this week. We'll talk to you later.